So, Binoli, you have been actually advising investors of various age groups, right? So, what do you think are the most common mistakes that the younger investors make in while they start their investment journey?
Okay, so I think the first mistake is, chasing products that give you, exceptional above average returns without understanding the risks. So cryptocurrency comes in this place, penny stocks comes in this place, and we have a lot of these kind of schemes available in the market where somebody tells you, I give you guaranteed 30%, 40% return. So it sounds very, lucrative. You also may get that return for a few months or years, okay? But then, there could be issues. So always invest into something you understand. If you don't understand, however lucrative it is, avoid. Okay. Second thing, I think, see, one thing is from the investment point of view. The second part is from the protection point of view, that you also need to protect the wealth which you may create. Okay. And I think the biggest asset we all have is our own self, because if you're earning, you're an asset to yourself. So not having an adequate, insurance cover in terms of health cover or term life insurance cover. The day, you start earning, you have some money, you need to have your term life cover, but health insurance cover, you need to have as soon as you're born. So this should be adequate. Even if you're working, there could be a cover provided by your organization. You need to have your own cover. Otherwise, we could make all rosy plans, that your money will grow up 12%, 14% year on year. But what if you're not able to put in that money for it to grow? And the third thing is actually not hiring an advisor. And I'm not saying that because I am one, but because, it's extremely important to do your own goal planning and do in-depth research on your investment products and understand the market dynamics before actually making an investment decision. So if you can't do it yourself, please take advice.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.